Did you know there's a bird that dyes its feathers with iron-rich mud, giving it a fiery orange hue? Meet the bearded vulture, one of nature's most fascinating avian wonders. Let's dive into 15 incredible facts about this remarkable bird. Fact 1. Bone diet specialist. The bearded vulture is the only known vertebrate whose diet consists almost exclusively of bones, about 70 to 90%. Its powerful digestive system can dissolve even large bone fragments within 24 hours. Fact 2. Bone-dropping behavior. To access nutritious marrow, bearded vultures drop large bones from heights up to 100 meters onto rocky surfaces, shattering them into manageable pieces, a skill that takes years to perfect. Fact 3. Striking appearance. These birds are known for their striking rusty orange plumage, a result of bathing in iron-rich mud, which they use to stain their feathers, a behavior unique among birds of prey. Fact 4. Impressive wingspan. With a wingspan stretching nearly 10 feet, the bearded vulture is one of the largest raptors in the world, effortlessly gliding over mountainous terrains. Fact 5. High-altitude habitat. Bearded vultures inhabit high mountain ranges across Europe, Africa, and Asia, nesting on crags and cliffs at elevations up to 4,500 meters. Fact 6. Solitary nesters. These birds are solitary nesters, building large stick nests lined with wool, hair, and even rags on sheltered rock ledges. They often reuse the same nest for multiple breeding seasons. Fact 7. Late breeders. Bearded vultures are among the earliest breeders, laying eggs in mid-winter. Chicks hatch in early spring, timed with increased food availability. Fact 8. Long maturation period. Juvenile bearded vultures take 5 to 7 years to reach full maturity, gradually transitioning from dark brown to the distinctive adult plumage. Fact 9. Misunderstood predator. Despite their fearsome appearance, bearded vultures do not hunt live prey. They are specialized scavengers, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up carcasses. Fact 10. Cultural significance. In some cultures, the bearded vulture is associated with myths and legends, often symbolizing power and freedom due to its majestic presence in the skies. Fact 11. Conservation status. Currently listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List, bearded vultures face threats from habitat loss and poisoning, making conservation efforts vital for their survival. Fact 12. Unique vocalizations. Generally silent, bearded vultures produce shrill whistles during breeding displays and a falcon-like cheek-a-cheek call near the nest. Fact 13. Exceptional eyesight. Like other raptors, bearded vultures have exceptional eyesight, allowing them to spot potential food sources from great distances while soaring high above the ground. Fact 14. Long lifespan. In the wild, bearded vultures can live up to 20 to 25 years, with some individuals in captivity reaching even greater ages, contributing to their slow reproductive rates. Fact 15. Reintroduction success. Conservation programs have successfully reintroduced bearded vultures into areas where they had disappeared, such as the Alps, aiding in the species' gradual recovery. The bearded vulture is a testament to nature's ingenuity and resilience. By understanding and protecting these magnificent birds, we ensure that they continue to grace our skies for generations to come. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wildlife wonders. Until next time, keep exploring the natural world.